The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G is designed to deliver an ultra-premium smartphone experience by combining powerful performance, advanced camera technology, and exceptional battery life. It features a stunning 144Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-smooth scrolling, making gaming, streaming, and everyday browsing incredibly immersive. Under the hood, the device is powered by the high-performance Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. Photography stands out as a major highlight thanks to its impressive 300MP main camera, capable of capturing extremely detailed shots with rich clarity and enhanced dynamic range in various lighting conditions. Fueling all this power is a massive 9,000 mAh battery, built to easily last through heavy daily usage, and with 120W fast charging, the phone can recharge in a remarkably short time. With its combination of display excellence, flagship-level performance, groundbreaking camera resolution, and long-lasting endurance, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G positions itself as a true powerhouse in the competitive 5G smartphone market.